Hello friends, now come to the question number 8 from our PQB book from chapter number 2nd, GATE 2011 1 marks problem. So let's go through the question. In this question, a pump handling a liquid raises its pressure from 1 bar to 330 bar. Take the density of liquid as 990 kg per meter cube. The isentropic specific work done by the pump in kilojoule per kg is. देखिए सर, whenever we talk about the pump work, that is also equal to the flow work. That is also equal to the flow work. So he is talking about isentropic specific work. So किसी भी open system device के लिए जो work का formula होता है, that is VDP. He is saying isentropic. That means process must be reversible. अगर प्रोसेस रिवर्सिबल होगा तो ये वर्क का फॉर्मूला होता है इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ वी डी पी, वेयर वी इज स्पेसिफिक वॉल्यूम एंड डी पी इज द प्रेशर चेंज ड्यूरिंग द प्रोसेस. स्पेसिफिक वॉल्यूम एंड डी पी इज द प्रेशर चेंज ड्यूरिंग द प्रोसेस. So when we know that, you know that कि liquid or water is highly incompressible fluid. So if the fluid is incompressible, the density of the fluid is not going to change during the compression, and that is the reason if the density is not going to change, you can write the specific volume also 1 by density. So if the density is not going to change, then specific volume also not going to change. So when you integrate this equation, this expression will get specific volume into P1 minus P2. That is a work done for a constant specific volume process when our pressure change from P1 to P2, because you know that P2 minus P1 will be P1 minus P2 when you take minus sign inside this integration. So W is, so in this question the density is given in this question. So if the density is given, the specific volume will be 1 upon density 1 upon 1990, and the change in pressure in this question is given is 30 bar and second pressure will be 1 bar. Okay, so when we go through 1 minus 30 minus 1 bar, pressure rise, you can see there is a P2 pressure minus P1 pressure, because in this question he assumed that because it is pump the work always will be negative, so it is considering the sign, and that's why they are taking already P2 minus P1. So that's why we don't have to multiply this expression by the negative sign. Okay, and that's why it is P2 minus P1, because if I consider the pump work is already negative, then the magnitude will be pump work will be minus of P2 minus P1. So when in this expression we put the value of P2 and P1, specific volume value, the answer will be 2.93, and this is the answer number D. Thank you very much for this question.